Hey friends, if you wish to fix all desktop icons change to the same icon on your system, then please watch this video. Now before anything else, just perform a malware scan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. Okay, it will need a few seconds and it will open the Windows malware software removal tool. Click on next, select full scan next once again and it will start scanning on your computer. The next one is to rebuild the icon cache. Now I have a command for this and I have shared it in the description section of the video. Copy this command, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. The next one is system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, finish and finally click on yes. And lastly, perform an SFC scan. Okay, how would you perform an SFC scan? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.